Do you know StadtHaus derJahrhundertwende? Welcome to our series of 100 German architectural definitions with you, Abir Salim, and I'm presenting this series to help you to enhance your understanding of German architecture. So, here we go. What are StadtHaus derJahrhundertwende? They are among the preferred inner city residential areas with a special villa. Stadthäuser derJahrhundertwende or townhouse from the turn century are the most characteristic group of old inner city buildings. Let's have more fun to get to know these elegant buildings. The buildings are constructed as a massive masonry structures. Exterior walls made of the solid brick masonry with wall thickness of the 30 to 90 centimeters. Large floor height up to 4 meters. And these kind of buildings have three kind of windows, as a single or box windows or multi-wings windows with profile. Undoubtedly, the key player for these kind of buildings are characteristic features. Unfortunately, the renovation of an apartment layout in this kind of building can become a problem. Because, for example, renovating a big apartment to contemporary apartment that need you to divide this apartment to two smaller apartments or lowering the height of the ceiling. And this unfortunately will change the characteristic features of this building, and definitely it will not categorize as StadtHäuser derJahrhundertwende anymore. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, follow and subscribe my page to see my next short video, and thanks for watching and tschüss!